everyone, it's me, Krista. Welcome back to my channel if you've been here before. If not, welcome for the very first time to my little art corner here on YouTube. Today we are going to be unboxing the April 2020 box from SketchBox, the premium one, and we're also going to be swatching the items inside. On the outside of the box we have this lovely drawing by Marie Varga of a big cat, and her Instagram is @RussianBlend_art. As always, we have our nice little description of what is inside, and an example of what can be done with this month's box. And this is also by Nikolai Shaver, the same artist that did the stuff for last month's box. And it looks like we have some calligraphy heavy stuff coming up. The first item that comes in this month's box is a set of pens. They are Uni Emmet 5 pen set in number 8. The retail price for this is normally $13.99. This month is all about hand lettering. Emmet is meticulously designed for durability and smooth lettering with a sleek white barrel and durable tip that doesn't bend or split, ensuring consistent line width at any angle or pressure. We opted for a muted set so you could add details and accents to your letters this month. So I'm not a big fan of doing lettering, calligraphy, design work, or anything for like card making. It's just not really my thing. Also, in February, we just got a bunch of different colors of fine liners, specifically SketchBox brand ones, so this just feels really repetitive as of right now. I will say it is a very pretty color palette that works very well together. Next we have some Tombow markers, specifically two Tombow ABT dual brush pens, and the retail price for this is normally $3.19 each, and these are new. These markers have a flexible brush tip and a fine point hard nylon tip. Both tips are fed from the same ink reservoir, ensuring exact color match. Alice Blue and Bright Blue are new additions to this popular line of markers. And these are their water-based line. I know they recently came out with some alcohol-based ones, and you probably cannot see it right now. I am using a Copic sketch pad, so it is marker paper, and it does start eating through that marker paper a little bit. I'm not a huge fan of these markers because I don't think they layer well in general. They either pull each other up or eat through paper. And here's a still shot where you can see some of where the paper is pilling up. The following item is a Kirisaki Zig Fudegokochi extra fine marker, and the retail price of this is normally $4.25. This pen features an extra fine brush tip that works great for calligraphy and lettering. The pen contains water-based pigment, black ink, that is perfect for outlining your letters this month to create 3D effects. So far I liked this marker. It is flexible and you can get pretty good variation of lines with it. Next, we have even more markers. We have some Karin brush markers and a blender. The retail price for these is normally $3.79 each. These markers have been making a splash in the art community. They're a favorite of hand lettering artists all over the globe. We love them for their pliable and resilient nib. We chose almond, copper brown, and a neutral gray color so you could add shadows to your letters this month. Finally, we included a blender so you could blend across these shades to create gradients. These colors do not blend very well at all. It also ate through this paper very badly. I think this is one where you need to let it dry first and then go over if you're going to try to blend at all. For the project itself, I think I'm going to use a really thick watercolor paper because this kind of paper is not going to work. I don't think Bristol board is either. The final item is a Karin Deco brush in red gold, and the retail price for this is normally $4.50. Deco brush markers contain 2.4 milliliters of non-toxic metallic paint pigments. They are perfectly capable of covering both black and white surfaces, so bust out your January supplies and enjoy. They are also produced with liquid ink technology, which allows you to use every bit of paint in the marker. This color is really pretty. It applies fairly smoothly. I did shake it a little bit because with most paint markers you have to. Overall, I'm not a huge fan of what's inside here so far. The swatches didn't go very well. I'll have to see when I'm actually doing a project how well they work out. I also wasn't expecting more markers this soon after February's box of just liners. But this unboxing and swatching is done. Thank you so much for taking the time on your busy day or night to watch this video. I greatly appreciate it. If you liked it, please hit that like button. If you want to see more videos like this, please feel free to subscribe. I do SketchBox unboxings and projects once a month. Also, if you have any comments, questions, feelings, or concerns, or you just want to share your opinions about the stuff in here if you've used it before, please let me know in that comment section down below how you feel about it. I look forward to hearing from you guys soon, and you will definitely be hearing from me soon. Bye, everybody!